Hi everyone, I am back with another episode on YouTube, and today I'm gonna use yellow as my color of inspiration. There's no thematic presentation in this video. It's just about color, and yellow is the color that I chose to use in this video. There's a lot of different flowers from dried to fresh that I've picked out for you. There's maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 maybe varieties, 7, 8 varieties. And I picked out a couple of different containers that we can do fun stuff with. Of course, I'm always gonna come up with something really clever at the end because I always think, well, I think a lot, but then when I'm doing these videos, I always have some conceptual design of how I want things to roll out. And I have something up my sleeve. If this is the first time you're tuning in to watch my channel, I thank you for tuning in. And anybody that has been watching my YouTube videos and is great fans, and all the comments that you've been sending out to me and liking the channel and also the videos, I thank you for that as well. I'm very grateful in every aspect of my life, and these videos are to inspire you guys. So thanks for tuning in again, and if you don't follow me on all the social medias, please do so. And let's get this started. Let's start with this. It's gonna be really easy. I think I'm gonna take these sets of 3 first, and I'm just gonna lay them with flowers. I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna, insert flowers in them. I'm just gonna put water. I don't need to do any foam in here. And with this, I'm just going to group individual flowers in each one. Keeping it really simple and sweet. Here you go. I'm gonna put this away. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it apart. And I'm simply and quickly doing this. I'm loving it already because the simplicity of it feels effortless. Cut it kind of sort of halfway, and then I'm going to drop it into the vase really effortlessly like this. Then I'm going to take my calla lilies. We're going to do 4 or 5. I lied, I did 6. I'm gonna cut them really short, and there's too much water in here. I'm gonna dump it back here. Calla lilies don't like a lot of water, so whenever you're using them, the first tip that I can tell you is have a very, very little amount of water into the vase. As long as they're touching it, you'll be fine. And then I'm gonna take the 3rd vase, and I think I'm gonna take the cornflowers. I think these are cornflowers. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be wrong. Or straw flowers. They're not cornflowers, they're straw flowers, sorry. I'm grouping them in my hand. Oh my God, there's a little white one with pink. That's okay. Use that one too. That's part of nature. So you might have a field filled with flowers, and then you might have one that's like, a different coloration, but that doesn't mean it doesn't belong there. And then, again, I'm going to take my cutters and cut it really short. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh. Don't even throw this away. Like, what I would do is I would take this, just kind of lay it down like this. Look how simple this and easy this arrangement was. Now I'm gonna take See, I have a little ones right here. Here, I'm gonna keep these because I'm gonna style them differently. You'll see how I'm presenting that. I'm gonna put this aside and I'm going to do this other vase. And it's a jar, it's a cookie jar. It can be a canister. I don't know if it's not a cookie jar, but it can be. So it's not completely full, but you get the idea. I want it completely full. And this one, I want to create with roses and tulips. So what I did is I first gathered the tulips, and now I'm going back in. And I'm making a bouquet very loosely without complicating this arrangement any more than it needs to be. Oops, I broke that. My fault. Sometimes I'm a little bit more rigid to the flowers. Here, this is looking at, and these are a gorgeous variety of yellow roses that I happen to love. It has a green tinge to it at the edges. It makes it look just beautiful. And some of these I'm gonna tuck in a little bit more. I don't like that it's cascading. Or here, there you go. I'm gonna put this in here. Let's get a couple of those stems, finish these stems. Around and around. And this is almost finished. Again, I'm gonna take my cutters, I'm gonna even it out like this. And then I'm going to take all the stems and insert it and drop it into the canister like this. See? So you've got 3-4 arrangements already that I made. And to top it off, I'm going to use this wagon. And I loved about this is it was in the same colors of what we were doing, and I was like, okay, that's a simple solution to getting this correctly done. What I'm gonna do with this one is I'm not gonna do a floral film or anything. I'm gonna take these flowers and I'm gonna cut them. They're dried. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay them inside this wagon. And as I get closer to the edge, I'll start higher, and as I get closer to the edge, I will make it a little bit shorter. Look at this. Look at this. Just yummy. Look, simple. You don't have to do anything, but what a great display of flowers it becomes. Here, I'm gonna tuck in a little bit more. And never throw out all these like pieces that you have. Because I'd like to put them in, kind of lay them out. Here, let me clean this table up. I think this is done. Look how gorgeous this looks. Simple, but yet elegant at the same time. Let me put it all together, style it, and clean out the table, and then we're gonna finish off this project. Look at the simplicity and elegance and fun, quirky side to the yellow mellow yellow arrangements that I created with you, using the yellow as the base of the inspiration. Look at all these textural flowers and these amazing containers that I showed you in this video. I hope this inspires you to do what you think is gonna be the best for you and more inspiration for events, for home entertaining or gifting yourself. Thank you again for watching these videos. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. You can find me on all social medias. And again, I'm very thankful, and peace out.